Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Measles outbreak explodes in South Carolina. Multiple people. The South Carolina Department of Public Health, DPH, reported 26 new measles cases since Friday, bringing the total to 211 cases in the state's latest outbreak. Of the 211 cases, 45 involve children under 5, 143 cases involve children ages 5 to 17, 17 cases involve adults, and 6 cases involve minors whose ages were not disclosed. 196 of the 211 infected individuals were unvaccinated, 4 were partially vaccinated, 1 was vaccinated, and 10 are either still being investigated or have an unknown vaccination status. Exposures have been identified at several schools, churches, and other locations in the state. 4 people, including adults and children, required hospitalization for complications from the measles outbreak. DPH encourages vaccination as the best way to prevent measles and stop the outbreak. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.